Here we have a 17 Ram 1500 crew. Hemi with the 20-inch chromes. Burgundy. One owner truck. Very sharp. Has tow package. 4x4. It's a crew cab. It's got the fog lights in the bumper. Let's look at the inside. It's got power windows and locks. It's got 32,000 miles. Tilt cruise. It's got, I'm sure, the U-Connect in it. Got satellite radio. Got you a little bit of bluegrass on there if you like bluegrass. Four-wheel drive right there. Your push buttons. Got your tow haul buttons. Got your lift up bucket seat here so you can put an extra person. And there's the back. Got a lot of room in the back of these Rams. And this truck right here can be seen at minersautosales.com or call us at 304-592-3349.